Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making a Biscoff no-bake cheesecake. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need Biscoff cookies, Biscoff cookie butter, lemon, butter, cream cheese, sour cream, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Begin by crushing 1 pack of Biscoff cookies into fine crumbs. Next, pour the cookie crumbs in a bowl and combine with 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1 stick of melted butter. Firmly press the Biscoff cookie crumbles into a 9-inch springform pan lined with parchment paper. Place in the freezer and allow the crust to set while we work on the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of cold heavy whipping cream and whip for 4 to 5 minutes until stiff peaks, which is a whipped cream consistency. Place to the side while we work on the next step. In a large bowl, mix together 3 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Add a 1/2 cup of Biscoff cookie butter and mix until combined. Mix in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and mix until smooth. Fold in the whipped cream until combined. Do not overmix. Transfer the cheesecake filling into the pan and smooth out the top. Melt 1/3 cup of Biscoff cookie butter in 10 to 20 second intervals until it reaches a thin, runny consistency. Add melted cookie butter on top of the cheesecake. The next steps are optional. Feel free to be fun and creative with this step. You can either cover the top with cookie butter or use a toothpick or skewer to create a marble design. We decided to add cookie crumbles to the edges of the cheesecake. Sprinkle some in the center and top with 2 Biscoff cookies. After decorating, you can either refrigerate your cheesecake for 6 to 8 hours up to overnight or place in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. However, the freezer will create a firmer texture. And there you have it, a Biscoff no-bake cheesecake. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.